Here are 3 ways to learn Spanish faster. Hi, I'm Michael Harper. I was able to learn Spanish within just a few months, and my goal is to show you how as well. If you're not already, check me out on Instagram at Michael Harper Spanish and subscribe to the YouTube channel to learn more Spanish. Let's get into the video. The first thing that I would do to learn Spanish faster would be to put my phone in Spanish. This is so crucial and you have to be doing this. If you're serious about learning Spanish as quickly as possible and your phone's not in Spanish, I'm not taking you seriously. You'll be amazed at how much vocabulary you can learn this way. It does take a little bit to get used to, but this is actually how I learned so many crucial things like the weather and the days of the week and how to say texting and all of these different things. You can even practice with someone like Siri and go, "Hey Siri, remind me to do something later today," but in Spanish. It'll actually train your brain to start working in Spanish and work in another language. It's almost like it puts your brain into survival mode, and it's like either I learn this or I don't learn this and won't be able to function every day. Because our lives depend so much on a cell phone nowadays, so if our phone is in a different language, it forces our brain to figure this out, and I highly recommend this. The second thing that you need to be doing to learn Spanish faster is to try and find someone that you can talk to almost every day. There's a lot of different ways to do this, but if you've been following me for a while, you know that speaking is the most important way and powerful way to practice your Spanish. And speaking with someone is even better. You can find a tutor on something like italki. I'll put a link in the description so that you can check italki out. You can find really affordable tutors, and the great thing about that is that you're able to have a one-on-one time with them and their attention is solely focused on you learning and practicing Spanish. You can find free ways to do it through apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. You can even go into Facebook groups and find people, native Spanish speakers who are learning English, who are willing to have some sort of language exchange. You can even find people on apps like Meetup or through Facebook groups and events with people who want to have a language exchange. There's so many creative ways that you can go about finding a native speaker you can practice with. It just requires you getting out of your comfort zone a bit. But again, if you're serious about learning Spanish quickly within a matter of months, you have to be doing this. The third thing, and this is one of the most important tips I can give you, is to stop trying to be perfect and strive to make mistakes every single day. It may seem like a cliche thing to hear or even say, but making mistakes is one of the most powerful ways to learn Spanish. In the beginning, I am guilty of this, of trying to be a perfectionist, of trying to say everything perfectly in my head before I said anything out loud. This was actually the worst thing I could have done, and it held me back. Because when I finally was able to get out of my comfort zone and speak out loud with people in Spanish, I was amazed with how much my Spanish actually began to improve. You need to humble yourself. You need to understand that you're not going to be perfect and that you have to make these mistakes. And humbling yourself is an amazing way to leave yourself open to learning more information. Every time you make a mistake, you're less likely to repeat that mistake in the future. Meaning if I can make 1,000 mistakes in Spanish, then that means I can learn 1,000 things. But these are things I never would have learned had I not made the mistake in the first place. Learn to laugh at yourself when you make mistakes. People may laugh at you, that's okay. They can't make fun of you if you're already laughing at your own Spanish. So laugh it off. Have a fun time making mistakes, and actually make it a goal to make as many mistakes as possible. You just gotta get your mouth open and speaking if you wanna learn Spanish faster. The last thing I recommend you doing, if you're serious about learning Spanish this year and within a matter of months, check out my free masterclass where I show you exactly how I was able to learn Spanish within a matter of months, what resources I used, what I did and did not focus on. The link's in the description. Check out that free masterclass and save your spot today. Highly recommend that you do that if you're a serious Spanish learner. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, comment if you have any videos that you want to see in the future. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.